Imagine waking up every morning with 86,400 coins in your account. But there's one rule. If you don't use them today, they disappear forever. Would you waste even one coin? The truth is, you already receive something even more valuable than that every single day. You receive 86,400 seconds. Today's story is about why time is money and why the way you spend your time decides your future. So let's begin. Ryan was a bright and talented young man. He had big dreams. He wanted to become successful. He wanted to make his parents proud. But Ryan had one dangerous habit. He always said, "I'll do it tomorrow." He postponed everything. Reading books? Tomorrow. Learning English? Tomorrow. Exercising? Tomorrow. Starting his business? Tomorrow. One day became 1 week. 1 week became 1 month. And months quietly turned into years. While his friends learned new skills and chased their dreams, Ryan kept waiting for the perfect time. One afternoon, Ryan visited his grandfather. The old man was repairing an old clock. Ryan sighed. "I don't understand why my life isn't changing." His grandfather smiled and asked, "How many hours does a successful person have in one day?" Ryan laughed. 24. "And how many hours do you have?" "The same." The old man nodded. "Exactly. Time treats everyone equally. The difference is not how much time people have, it's how they use it." The next morning, Ryan received a strange package. Inside was a beautiful glass hourglass and a small note. The note read, "Every grain of sand is one moment of your life. Once it falls, it never rises again." Ryan turned the hourglass over. The sand began to fall silently. He watched every grain. For the first time, he realized something. Time never stopped. Not for rich people, not for poor people, not for anyone. That evening, Ryan wrote 2 lists. The first list was called "Things That Waste My Time," hours on social media, watching videos without learning anything, complaining, making excuses. The second list was called "Things That Build My Future," reading, learning English, exercising, working on his dream, helping his parents. The next day, he made a promise. "I will spend my time like it's my greatest investment." The change wasn't easy. Some mornings he wanted to sleep longer. Some evenings he wanted to waste hours scrolling through his phone. But every time he looked at the hourglass, he remembered the note. Time was quietly disappearing, whether he used it wisely or wasted it. Months passed. Ryan finished several English books. He learned new skills. He started a small online business. He became healthier, more confident, more disciplined. People began asking, "Ryan, what's your secret?" He smiled. "I stopped managing money first. I started managing my time." Years later, Ryan became a successful entrepreneur. One day, he visited his old school to speak to students. He walked to the front of the classroom holding the same glass hourglass. He placed it on the table. Then he asked, "If I gave each of you $1 million, but tomorrow morning you never woke up, would the money matter?" The classroom became silent. Ryan smiled gently. "Exactly. Time is more valuable than money. You can always earn more money, but you can never earn yesterday back." As the students left the classroom, one young boy stayed behind. "Sir," he asked, "what's the best investment I can make?" Ryan picked up the hourglass and replied, "Invest your time in becoming a better person. Because time spent learning, growing, and helping others always gives the greatest return." The boy smiled, and from that day on, he never looked at time the same way again. Moral of the story: money lost can be earned again, but time lost is gone forever. Use every day wisely. Learn something new. Take one step toward your dream, because your future is built 1 minute at a time. Thank you for listening.